let's use some of the layers in the broadband map to focus in on equity and access issues. In this example, you'll notice that the layers I've selected include the unserved locations, which are indicated by these purple dots. The larger the dot, the more the density of unserved locations. They are not receiving broadband service. I then overlaid percentage of school-age children. As we get to this darker red, we see a higher percentage of school-age children. I then selected percentage of low income. And as the shading becomes darker brown, there's a higher concentration of poverty. You can quickly see on this map that in around the Loretto area, you see a cluster of unserved locations that also include a high percentage of school-age children and an increase in poverty. So if you're looking to address equity and access issues in this area, the Loretto area makes sense to concentrate on. We hope you found this helpful.